Hey, it's Mike, and I want to talk about Snapchat because Snapchat is finally showing some signs of life here. It popped almost 11%, and the stock looks like it's going to continue to move higher. It's popped past its 52-week high, and it's also popped past its IPO price for the first time. So I think this is a company that is definitely going to continue to rise. And the reason why it's rising is it's getting a lot of ad revenue, and it looks like um, its ad revenue is going to get even higher in the fourth quarter. There's a couple of reasons why more people are staying home. They're doing that, and then they're going on social media and they're using Snap. Now, when it comes to social media platforms, they get a lot of the revenue from ads. And during the fourth quarter is when most people run ads. And the thing about social media platforms, most of the ad revenue comes from Google and Facebook. You know, people run ads on Facebook, people run ads on Google, and also YouTube, which is part of Google. But you have these secondary social media platforms that are cheaper, and because they're cheaper, they're going to get more people wanting to advertise on them. So I'm talking about Pinterest, Snapchat, um, other sites, but I definitely think Snapchat is going to benefit. And because the company has popped past its IPO price one and also popped past its 52-week high, there's going to be people now who previously would never touch Snapchat who are going to jump on it. And because of that, I think there's going to be a lot of great momentum in it. In fact, I think Snapchat is one of those perfect stocks where you can do a cash secure put or covered call on like one of these conservative option strategies. Because while I do think it's going to move higher, it may not move as high as some people think. Like some people who have maybe never looked at Snapchat before are going to think it's going to be acting like one of these penny stocks that moves up 5 or 10% a day. I don't think that's the case. I think Snapchat is going to drift higher, but I think it's going to drift higher and possibly outperform other tech companies over the next couple of months. But what I would do right now is I would do a cash secure put on Snapchat because I think the premiums are going to be really high on the puts. And if you want to do a cover call, the cover call is a good strategy too. And if you just want to straight up buy the shares, you could go ahead and buy the shares, but just realize you're probably not going to get 10% moves every day. But I do think you can get 1-2% moves pretty often. So definitely put Snap on your radar. It's a stock that's finally popped after really doing nothing for a while. And I think it does have the potential to move higher over the next couple months. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple updates each day on stocks and everything from EV stocks to penny stocks, tech stocks, and I also talk about options and option trading strategies. Okay, thank you a bunch. Bye.